Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear friends, today we are going to take and discuss, revise a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is algebraic expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions and identities, okay? And in that class, we discuss all the important concepts of algebraic expressions. We discuss about the terms, coefficients, okay, terms coefficients of the algebraic expressions, and also we discuss about the like and unlike terms, and also we discuss about the types of algebraic expressions like the polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on, okay. And also we discuss about the topic addition, subtraction, multiplication of algebraic expressions, and we discuss some important algebraic identities of your syllabus. So, dear friends, first of all, we take about what we discuss what is the algebraic expressions. Dear friends, it is the relationship. Algebraic expressions is a relationship between constant and variables having some algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, and so on. Okay. So algebraic expressions means that what, dear friends? Algebraic expressions means that it is a relationship between constant and variable with having some algebraic operations. Like if we write 4x square minus 3xy plus by, this is the algebraic expressions. Like here we write 5y, because of this is the relationship between constant and variables having some algebraic operations, okay. This is a very important concept. Now in this way we are going to discuss about, now in this algebraic expressions we discuss about the terms and its coefficients. What is the concept of coefficients? You know that very well, dear students. In any algebraic expressions, in any terms of the algebraic expressions, the numerical value of this is what? The numerical value is of a particular terms is called what? Its coefficients. If in this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? There are three terms here. Terms is what? Terms 3. Which one? Let's see. First, second, and third. First term is what? 4x square. Second term is what? Minus 3xy. And third one is what? 5y. Dear friends, these are the terms. These are what? The terms, okay. Now these are the terms, okay. So in this algebraic expression there are three terms named as 4x square, minus 3xy, and 5y. Now we discuss about the coefficients. So what is the coefficient for each terms? I just discuss about that. The coefficient is what? The numerical value of any terms, okay. So look, if look at this term, this is 4x square, this is 4x square. So here 4 is the coefficient of x square. 4 is the coefficient of x square. So here the numerical value is 4. So here coefficient of this term is what? 4. Same as here, coefficient. Look, here xy is the variable and the constant term in this expression is minus 3. So in that, for that term, coefficient is what? Minus 3. Coefficient is what? Minus 3. Now look at this term. Therefore, for that term coefficient is what? Plus 5. Here for that term coefficient is what? Plus 5. Okay, dear friends, this plus 5. Look, so this is the concept of terms and coefficients of an algebraic expressions. Okay. Now we discuss the types of algebraic expression or type of algebraic polynomials. Look. Now we discuss types of polynomial. Dear student, there are three types of polynomial generally. First is monomial, second one binomial, and third one is what? Trinomial. Okay. Trinomial. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay. Look, what is the concept of monomial? Dear students, an algebraic expression having one terms only. Okay. And if any algebraic expressions contain only one term, is called what? Monomial. Okay. Any algebraic expression contain two terms is called binomial. If any algebraic expressions contain two terms is called what? Binomial. Okay. Now third one is what? If any algebraic expression contains three terms. Is called trinomial. Okay. So this is the concept of monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay, dear friends. Now we are going to take and discuss some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on based on coefficient terms and some questions based on the classify the given algebraic expression on the basis of monomial, trinomial, and monomial. So before that, we are going to discuss about some other important concept of like and unlike terms. Because of if we adding some algebraic expressions, some polynomial like monomial, binomial, trinomial, then we clear the concept of this. First, we clear the concept of like and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Okay. What is the concept of like and unlike terms? Look, like terms, those terms which have the same algebraic factors. Okay, those terms which have the same algebraic factors, is called like terms, and those terms which have the different algebraic factors. Those terms which have the different algebraic factors. is called, sorry, are called, no? are called are called unlike terms. Called unlike terms. Okay. Now look, this is like terms. This is what unlike terms. Okay. So those terms which have the same algebraic factors is known as like terms. Like some example we write 3mn minus 4mn 6mn. These are the like terms which because of they have the same algebraic factors as mn. Okay. Now those terms which have the different algebraic factors, which have the different algebraic factor like 4 n square, 4 n square, 4 mn, etc. These are unlike terms. These are what, dear students? Unlike terms. Unlike terms means what? Those algebraic expression, those terms which have the different algebraic factors. So here these terms have different algebraic factors. Now these terms have different algebraic factors. So these are what? These are what? Unlike terms like 4m square, 4n square, 4mn. Okay, difference. So these are the concept of, this is the concept of this topic. Okay. So in this way we clear the concept of like and unlike terms. Okay, dear students. Now we clear some other important concept. The concept is what? We add or subtract only the like terms. We don't add or subtract the unlike terms like that. If we write add a b b square, suppose that we add these terms. So in this way we can first of all we write a in this way a plus b square. We never adding them. We never adding them. Why? Because of these terms. Because of these terms have the different algebraic factors as a b and b square. a b and b square. These are the like terms. Okay. So this is the concept of addition. Now if we write add 4m square minus m square and plus 5m square minus 5m square, we adding them. So we can write 4m square plus minus m square plus minus 5m. So we split the brackets. If we split the brackets, so we get 4m square minus m square minus 5m square. So these can be solving it, add or subtract, because of these have each terms have the same algebraic factor m square, n square, m square. So 4m square minus m square we get 3m square and minus 5m square. This is minus 5, this is plus 3, so minus 2m square. So this is the answer. So this is the concept of that topic. So we add or subtract only the like terms. Okay, now in this way we clear the concept of this chapter. What is the algebraic factor, what is the monomial, what is the how many types of polynomial, what is the concept of terms and coefficient. Now we take some important questions. Now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT. Sorry, some other important questions. Okay. question is the question is identify the terms and their coefficients. Identify the terms and their coefficient. Identify the terms and their coefficient. Now we take the question. We take two questions from there. First one is 5xyz square, 5xyz square minus 3zy minus 3zy. Okay. Now look. And second one is what? 4x square y square, 4x square y square minus 4 x square y square z square. Now look, we solving them. Now we identify the terms and their coefficient. I just discussed about that topic, what is the concept of terms and its coefficient. So let's see its solution. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question, which is what? Given expression, we write given expression 5xy z square minus 3zy. Okay, 3zy. Look, so these algebraic expressions contains how many terms? Dear friends, these algebraic expression contains two terms. First one is what? 5xyz square. Second one 3xy. So we find. So here there are two terms. There are two terms in this algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression. Okay. So there are two terms in this algebraic expression. First term is 5xy z square. Second one is what? Minus 3zy. Now their coefficient. Now we write here coefficient. Look, and I just discussed about that. What is the coefficient? What is the concept of coefficient? The numerical value of any terms is called coefficient. Okay. Look, in this term, what is the numerical value? This is 5. So for that term, the coefficient of this algebraic term, is what? 5. Okay, dear friends. Similarly, for that term, here x, z, y is the variables and minus 3 is the numerical term value. So in for that term, the coefficient is what? Minus 3. The coefficient is what? Minus 3. So this is the concept of these questions. which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now, similarly, we take and solve the second part of this question. Second part is given expression. Given expression, what is the expression is there? 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square. Okay, now what I do? These algebraic expressions contains how many terms? Contains two terms. First one is our 4x square y square and second is our 4x square y square z square. So here how many terms are there? There are also two terms. Here are two terms like 4x square y and 4x square y square z square. 4x square y square z square. Okay. Four x square y square and second one 4x square y square z square. Okay. Now, what is the coefficient for each term? I just about that. Ki coefficient means what? The numerical value coefficient for term 4x square y square, their coefficient is what? 4, because 4 is the numerical value, and for 4 x square z square x square y square z square, x square y square this is. So here the numerical is what? Numerical value is what? Four. Okay. So for these two terms the numerical value is 4. So the coefficient is what? 4. Okay. So in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on terms and coefficient. Now we take and solve some other important types of questions of your syllabus. Okay. Now we take some other important question. Add the following. Add the following algebraic expression. Look, we take first part of this question is what? AB minus BC, comma BC minus CA, comma CA minus AB. CA, comma AB. Okay. Second one, L square plus M square, M square plus N square, N square plus L square, comma 2 LM, comma 2 LN plus 2 MN plus 2 NL. to adding these terms. And just I discuss about a very important concept regarding to addition and subtraction of polynomials for algebra. So we just discuss about that we add or subtract only the like terms. We don't add and subtract the unlike terms. Okay. Now here we using the same concept. We using that concept, so we get what? We take and solve the first part of it, so we adding them, so it means that AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Now look, what is the answer of this algebraic expression? Now look here, first of all we collect the like terms. So look, AB, these are the same algebraic factors, so we collect them, we write AB and we take AB with sign minus AB. Okay. Now this is plus BC minus BC. Okay, we take together, both are the like terms, BC minus BC. In this way we write minus BC. Okay. Now CA minus CA. Look, this is plus CA minus CA. This is the plus CA minus CA. We take together. Now we simplify them, each pair of like terms. These are because of AB like terms. Now look, this is 1 AB plus 1 minus 1 cancel to each other, so we get 0, plus this is plus 1 BC minus 1 BC, these are also cancelled to 0, and this is plus 1 CA 1 CA, this is plus 0. Now this is equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given question. In this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT. Now, we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now, we take and solve the second part of this question. So first of all we write given expression is what? L square plus M square, M square plus N square, N square plus N square, 2 ln 2mn plus 2 mn. Now we write in addition form. So look, we can write L square plus M square plus M square plus N square plus N square plus L square plus 2 ln plus 2 mn plus 2 mn. Now what I do? Look, first of all we collect the like terms. So in that expressions M square is there, so we 1 M square plus 1 M square, so this is 2 M square. Okay. Now plus N square, this is plus 2N square. Okay. Now this is N square, this is plus 2L square. Okay. So 2M square plus 2N square plus 2L square plus Ln, Mn, Nn. These are unlike terms. These are what, dear students? Unlike terms. So we don't we never adding or subtracting these terms. So we can write these terms as it is, plus 2ln plus 2mn plus 2nn. Now look, this is the answer because of each terms have different algebraic factors. Each term has different algebraic factors, so we don't never adding them. Okay. Now clear, dear students? Yes. So in this way, in today's class, we take and discuss some important questions of your syllabus based on the topic what algebraic expression terms, coefficient, and adding some terms. So now in next class we take and solve some other important chapter questions of that exercise. Okay. Now thanks to all.